What y'all think? What y'all think? I think I like this. I think this might be it. What y'all think? What y'all think? I think I like this. I think this might be it. I'm not even gonna lie. At first, when I took this wig out of the packaging, I was like, oh my god, 10 inches. What the fuck I'm gonna do with 10 inches? But at the same time, y'all, this color, I have to do this in like a longer inch for sure. But y'all see what I'm talking about as far as how like easy this wig was to put on. I didn't have to use no glue. I didn't have to do too much of nothing. Literally all I had, y'all, as y'all seen, was my hot comb, my flat iron, some spray, and a blow dryer. If you're the type of person that you feel like frontals is too high maintenance, or you just need a wig that you could literally just get up and go, this type of wig is exactly what you want. Once again, it's from Luvme Hair Collection. This is a 10-inch bob. It got the little highlights in it. Y'all see how like bouncy and stuff this hair is? Yeah. I will make sure I link everything down in the description box below. Make sure y'all follow me on all my social medias. I got Instagram, Facebook. I don't really use Snapchat like that, but hell, follow me everywhere, Ne.braskabarbie. Once again, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, share the video, something, y'all comment something. Let me know y'all care. And until next time.